Hi, first grade writers. We have been writing our opinions. Now remember, your opinion is how you feel about something or what you think. Now I have two books here. I want you to think about which one you like better, George and Martha or Gussie and Gertie. I like George and Martha better because their friendship always makes me laugh. Did you have a different opinion than mine? That's okay, because that's your opinion. Now, as I was reading some of your book reviews from this last week, I noticed a little problem. Some of you told me so much about your book that I didn't even need to read it. Now, if we want to convince people to read our favorite books, we need to just tell them a little bit about the story. We want them to feel a little curious, and we don't want to give away the ending. We want to keep it a surprise. Now that I've chosen one of my favorite books, I'm ready to write an introduction. Now, here's one way my review could start. Do you like funny chapter books? You should read George and Martha, because in chapter 1, George and Martha see a scary movie, and at the end, George is so scared. Then, in chapter 2, George makes a secret clubhouse and doesn't let Martha in, but he finally lets her in at the end. Did that give away too much? Some of you might be saying it definitely did. Let me try again. Do you like funny chapter books? You should read George and Martha if you want to laugh. In this story of chapter 1, they are going to the movies to see a scary movie. But there's a problem. One of the characters is too scared. Which one is it? George or Martha? You'll have to read this book to find out. Did this introduction make you a little curious? Did you see how I made sure not to give away the whole book? Instead, I gave a sneak peek. I introduced the characters, I told a little bit about the story, and then I asked a question to make you wonder. Remember, when you are working on book reviews, it's important to include a sneak peek summary that doesn't give it all away. If you forget what you need to do, just go ahead and look at the sneak peek chart that we've included in the packet. That way you can convince others to read your favorite books.